Hi, it's Miss Chalone again, and we're here for another recorder lesson. Today we're going to be learning Old MacDonald. Now, this has been a request on my channel for a while, and I apologize it has taken me so long to get to this. So the notes for Old MacDonald are low D, low E, G, A, and B, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and play through it. So this song is basically just two parts. The first part happens 3 times. G, 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 D, E, E, D. Let's try that again. G, 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 D, E, E, D. Try that with me. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Again. Here we go. One more time. Ready? Here we go. Then it's simply B, B, A, A, G. Just add that on the end. Here we go. The first part again. Ready? 2. Here we go. Okay. So then we basically start again, except we start on low D this time. So let's put that first part all together. It's just twice through with the low D in between. 1, 2, here we go. So now we're to the part where you're doing the animal sounds, and it's D, D, G, 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 D, D, G, G, G. G, 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 G. Pretty simple, right? So start on low D, take those bottom 3 fingers off to get to G. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, let's do that one more time. 2, here we go. And then we have the first part again. 1, 2, here we go. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, here we go. So the best way to practice this is to really think the words in your head as you're playing, okay? So until next time, happy practicing!